If you spend more than 5 minutes on tech Twitter or LinkedIn, you would think that the tech industry is completely dead. Everyone is talking about AI replacing software engineers in cybersecurity. Everyone is talking about the massive layoff at big tech companies. The narrative is that the golden age of tech is over, but the data tells a completely different story. While the media focuses on the 10,000 people laid off from a bloated social media company, they are completely ignoring the 50,000 jobs being created to support the physical and digital infrastructure of the AI revolution. Tech jobs are not disappearing, they are shifting, and they are actually exploding in sectors that nobody is talking about. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why the AI boom is creating more jobs than it's destroying, which specific job sectors are hiring aggressively right now, and how you can position yourself to ride this massive wave instead of getting swept away by it. Let's get into the real numbers. What's really happening with AI in tech? To understand why jobs are exploding, you have to understand what AI actually is. AI is not magic. It is not just software floating in the ether. AI is the most resource-intensive technology that humanity has ever created. When a company decides to build or implement an AI model, they need massive amounts of computing power. They need data centers, they need specialized servers, they need an incredible amount of electricity and cooling. They also need technical professionals who can help run this entire system. This is creating a massive boom in infrastructure roles. We are seeing an unprecedented demand for data center technicians, network engineers, cybersecurity engineers, system administrators, software engineers, even cloud engineers. If you know how to manage high performance computing clusters, companies are looking for you. You cannot automate the physical installation of a server rack. You cannot use ChatGPT to run fiber optic cables. The companies building the AI models and the companies hosting them are hiring infrastructure professionals at a record pace. If you have skills in networking, Linux, or hardware, you are literally sitting on a gold mine. And before we get into the second reason, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you're enjoying it. The second reason that jobs are exploding is the data itself. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. And right now, every major corporation is realizing that their internal data is a complete mess, and it's insecure if they use AI the wrong way. Before a bank or a healthcare company can use AI to optimize their business, they have to clean, organize, and secure decades worth of data. This has created a massive surge in demand for database administrator, data engineers, and cloud storage specialists, and obviously cloud engineers as well. Companies need people who can build the pipelines that feed the AI. They need people who can ensure that the data is accurate, accessible, and properly formatted. This is highly technical, detailed-oriented work that AI cannot do for itself yet, because the AI does not understand the business context of the data. The third, and perhaps the biggest area of job growth, is in security and compliance. The rapid adoption of AI has terrified corporate boards and government regulators. They are terrified of data leaks, they are terrified of AI hallucinations causing financial damage and other damage that they don't know about yet, and they're terrified of regulatory fines. This fear of vulnerabilities that AI is creating is also creating thousands of tech jobs. We're seeing a huge spike in demand for cybersecurity professionals that specialize in AI threat vectors. We're seeing a huge demand in GRC analysts, especially GRC analysts that can write policies that dictate how employees are allowed to use AI tools. And in the GovTech space, this is amplified by a factor of 10. The government wants to use AI, but they have the strictest security requirements in the world. If you have a security clearance and you understand how to secure AI infrastructure within a classified environment, you can essentially name your price in 2026. And this is not going to change anytime soon. The best thing that you can do is position yourself for the new roles that AI is creating and that AI is making more important than ever before. So how do you actually take advantage of this? How do you position yourself for the jobs that are exploding rather than the ones that are shrinking? The first thing that you should do is stop being so generic. Start to niche down in whatever your field is. So for example, if you are a web developer, do not be a web developer anymore. Pivot your focus to infrastructure. Learn Linux, learn networking, get your CompTIA Security Plus certification. Understand how cloud environments like AWS and Azure actually work under the hood. This way you can use your development skills in a way that is going to allow AI to grow and build out AI infrastructure. Second, learn how to use AI tools to make yourself faster at these infrastructure jobs. If you're a system administrator who uses AI to write automation scripts, you are 10 times more valuable than a system administrator who does everything manually. So if you're able to take your knowledge that you already have and apply AI to make you a 10x engineer, you are going to have a ton of value in the new AI world. The tech industry is not dying, it's just evolving. The people who are complaining are the ones who refuse to adapt to a new reality. The jobs are there, the money is there. You just have to know where to look and what skills to bring to the table. If you want to know exactly which certifications to get and how to position your resume for these high growth infrastructure and security roles, fill out an application to work with me and my team. We specialize in these type of jobs and helping you land these roles within the next 90 days. The link is in the description to apply. I'll help you build a career that's resilient to the AI wave and actually profits from it. Thanks for watching this video. Stay strategic, and I'll see you in the next one.